prepare for today's G-Fest 2024? For this year's 2020 G-Fest 2024?
Sobrang busy po ng Bini, hindi na po kami masyado nakapag-prepare. Pero, yun pa, nag-training po kami and nag-rest lang para mentally ready.
So, anong feeling mo now na second time na magpa-perform here?
Grateful po kami kasi second time po kami. Second time na namin ngayon and grateful po kami for Globe na in-invite po kami ulit. Sana next year ulit.
Okay, last na. What was that thing that made you say, oh my G?
Yung kanina, ang daming blooms.
Yes, kasama ko nun.
Yes.
Yeah. Tulad ng sinabi ni na ate ko, wala kami masyadong time ngayon. But, nag-train po kami and kanina actually, bago lumabas ng stage, nag-rehearse kami dito sa loob to review our songs.
Okay, and then last, what was that thing that made you say, oh my G?
Ano ba? Nung nalaman namin magpa-perform ulit kami for Globe.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Alright, pero girls, I have surprise to you dahil Globe prepare.
Oh, ang kinis ko naman dito.
Nakakita yan.
Ang kinis ko naman dito, pero yun, parang, kumbaga yung feeling na nagpa-perform na miss namin, so parang mas bongga, feeling ko yung energy namin na mabibigay today. Kasi, yun nga, ilang concerts yung dumaan, and di kami nakakapag-show talaga. Yun, excited na kami. Thank you, Globe, for, the trust. Salamat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ngayon na lang ulit kami makapag-G-Fest and pang ilang year na ba ito sa Globe. Thank you, Globe, for kasi kinukuha nyo kami always. Hi, everyone! Manood po kayo and kung hindi man kayo makakanood, maghintay ka ng update sa Twitter. Wala kayong choice, okay? Bye! See you!
Oh, wait lang. So, how do you guys prepare for this G-Fest 2024?
Of course, nag-practice kami, training, ganun. And excited kami ulit mag-perform in front of Blooms and everyone. And excited kami na makita ulit yung Blooms. Thank you po sa mga next time. Yeah, excited kami.
Paano excited?
Ganun.
Okay, thank you!
Thank you.
Hello, Bini Aya and Bini Mika. So, can I interview you?
Opo.
So, how is your feeling right now? Na, okay na ba?
Ay, okay na po.
Na it's your second time parang performing sa G-Fest 2024.
Hello guys, it's great that we get to perform again twice kasi anything more than once in terms of performance and being able to work with the brand is always a blessing. So thank you, Lord, for the blessing.
Yes, and how about you, Mika? How do you guys prepare for today's G-Fest 2024?
We just prepare by making sure that we are mentally ready and physically. And syempre nag-practice kami. And we're very excited to perform again since lately hindi mga performance ginagawa namin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Alright guys, so we are now moving forward to... Okay, so while waiting for another favorite artist today, so how do you guys feeling na How was the feeling na nagpa-perform kayo second time for G-Fest?
Masaya kasi syempre pang ilang beses na namin to na mag-perform for Globe and nakita na namin yung Blooms kanina and ayun sobrang nagwawala sila and excited na kami na mag-perform tonight.
Yeah, so excited. Sana next year ulit and 2 more years with
Hello girls!
Uy po!
Pwede yung bunot.
Modest.
Ay, hindi ito ano. Guys,
Same na color.